So this video is gonna be a little bit of a test video, I suppose. So I've been doing a whole bunch of soloing lately, and I've been really enjoying it. Yeah, how do I phrase this? How do I word this in a way? I don't want to make these videos to try and pump up my own ego or promote soloing or promote dangerous activities or anything like that. So this is a little bit of a test video. I'm here in the North Coast, and I thought I would make a video today just to see how you guys like the videos, for one, and for two, to see how I feel about making the videos. I've been doing a bunch of soloing, and I haven't been making any videos of it, but I thought, you know, maybe I'll make a video of it, see how I feel making it, because I do plan on doing a bunch of soloing this summer, and obviously next winter and the seasons moving forward. And if I enjoy making the videos and you guys still enjoy watching them, I'll still continue to make them, but I need to see how I feel making the videos, because for me, soloing is really like an opportunity for me to be alone with myself and to challenge myself and kind of confront my fears on their own. So I've been a little bit trepidatious to make these videos and even put them out there, but I want to try today just to see how you guys feel about them, and just to see how I feel about it as well. I might even not even post this video. Obviously, if you're watching it, I did, but I might not even post it. So yeah, so we'll see. Yeah, so take this entire video with a grain of salt. It's just gonna be really me and climbing, so I don't know if it's that interesting. We'll see. I'm in the North Coast today to do whatever I get done, I guess. I'm at Valley of the Birds, and there's like, I don't know, 5 or 6 different WI4, WI5 routes up there. None of them are longer than like 40, 50 meters. So I'm just gonna see what I get done. I will tell you guys one thing. The driving conditions to get into the North Coast are way gnarlier than I am comfortable driving in by myself. And so I've gotten myself here, and I'm just hoping that it doesn't warm up too much today and it doesn't get too slushy, because I definitely feel like I'm in it now. If you're not familiar with the North Coast, it's basically like an off-road paradise and an ice climber's nightmare, because we really just want to get there and climb. So it's like 10 kilometers, maybe 15 kilometers down this creek bed, and there's blowing snow and spin drifts and ice chunks and ice shelves that you have to cross in the river, and I almost got stuck once, but I got out of it. So there's definitely a few key areas in my mind that I'm thinking out on the way back that I'm like 50-50 on, so we'll see about that. It's 0 degrees out, 0 degrees Celsius right now. 9 o'clock in the morning. I got a little bit of a late start, but not really. I just woke up and kind of left. So yeah, I guess let's get out there and see what we get done, and see if we can make an enjoyable video together out of this. So yeehaw! A little bit of a river crossing here. First little bit of approach ice to get into the drainage, and then it's like little climbs to the right and to the left. Not sure yet what I'm gonna do. I think I might head all the way to the back and then start at the very back and work my way to the front. So that way when I'm done, pretty close to the exit, I just go home. Cool landscape. Quite a cool little canyon. So I believe this one is Yellowbird. And from what I remember last year, it's actually a beautiful climb. It was an awesome climb. So I'll definitely be looking at this one. Yeah, so I think this is considered the first pitch of Yellowbird, but kind of just like approach ice, like WI2. We'll come back to you. I'm gonna go check out the rest of this canyon, see what else we can see. Now, there's something up here. I can't remember. I think this is, yeah, you can see it just peering over. There's this little approach ice and then that. I want to say it's called Albatross. Albatross. All the climbs in here are named after birds. That's why it's called Valley of the Birds. So I think that's Albatross. I think. This must be something else. I'm not sure the name of this, but yeah, it doesn't look very enjoyable. Mostly just WI2. Maybe like 1 or 2 moves of WI3. Kind of looks like a calf burner. Interesting. And that's eagle. Interesting. That looks so gross. It's so picked out. Oh my god. Wow. Nice. 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 Huh. Woohoo. Nice. That was awesome, guys. Holy smokes. Wow. Right on, man. Yeah, dude. Right on. Oh, man. That was good stuff. What? Oh, yeah. Look at that, all the way. So this must be 30 meters or so. Even less, actually. It looks like there's quite a bit. Cool climb. And that's that. One done, 2 to go. Yahoo! Yeah, so we're not gonna do this one. It just doesn't look that fun. I'm not sure what the name of that one is. Yellowbird, which is the last one, I think is like the highest quality one. Like, I think it's really fun climbing. So this is the other one. I want to say this is Albatross. I think it's pretty short, but I think it's pretty fun. I think we're gonna do it. Maybe like WI4, like pretty easy WI4. Looks pretty wet, but that's okay. Ooh. Hey, dude.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Oh, thank God. I was just thinking to myself, like, getting out is gonna be a bit spicy at the end of the day. How was it getting in?
It wasn't bad at all. We came in a stock Tundra.
No? Okay, well then I feel better.
Are you in by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so are you guys gonna go up do the Eagle?
Well, we were kind of thinking about this one, but if you got this one, we'll probably go Yellowbird. I think we did Eagle last weekend. So.
Okay, I'll be quick on this, like probably only 15, 20 minutes.
Sweet, well then why don't we follow you up in here?
Yeah. Right on. Super nice guys. Super nice guys. That was awesome. Short little climb, but like so awesome. Nice little climb.
Climb, that was fast.
Oh, thank you. Nice little climb. Super nice guys, those two guys, and I'm glad that they'll be with me on the way out. That makes it, just takes the nerves off a little bit, just in case, you know. But yeah, super nice guys. I actually saw them last weekend or the weekend before when we did Beowulf, and we pulled them out a couple times and they were breaking trails, so I just saw another two guys. Whew, and they said that there's another two guys behind them. So, looks like it's a little bit of a busy day, and looks like I don't need to worry at all about getting out of here with the vehicle. This is just the approach ice to Yellowbird. I had a couple guys walk by and they said that they did it last weekend and it was stiff for the grade. So let's go take a peek. A little bit wet. This is the last one of the day. Just trying to decide which way I want to go. Yeah. Let's go. What an awesome day. Wow. The battery died maybe about a quarter way up, I would say, the crux of this route. And it was pretty stiff for its grade. I picked kind of a line that I don't think everyone else went. Just because I didn't want to traverse. I knew the anchors were on the right, so I just figured I'd stay on the right. I didn't feel like going up the left side and then walking way over. But that was, I'm just happy right now. Wow. Okay, I gotta wrap this now and then do one wrap of that little approach ice, and then I guess that's it for the day. Yeah, I'm still not. I think I will post this video. I think so. Yeah. I definitely don't want to promote soloing, and I don't want it to seem like I'm doing this for any type of egotistical reason or anything. I just like sharing the experience that I get out here with you guys. I think if it can motivate someone to come out here and try this and get to experience this kind of feeling and euphoria, then I've done my job. That's really all I want. Wow, I'm just so happy. Okay, I'm gonna rappel this and I'll finish the video down there. Nice. Yeah. And the ropes reach. Oh man, I do not want to break this. There we go. Oh, nice. Yeah, this was, I would say, the crux of it. Not bad. Managed to stay actually pretty dry. Whew. That was a good day. I had an awesome day. Phenomenal weather. Lots of traffic, lots of cars came in. Obviously, there's like 4 other parties that I saw. So I feel good about this drive out. I was a little bit nervous about it, but I feel good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do let me know. Put it in the comments if you guys want to see more of this. Put it in the comments if you guys think this is stupid and I should keep this to myself. Put that also in the comments. And we'll see. I might make some more, I might not. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and seriously, I hope you guys enjoy the view. Holy shit. Oh, I fucking love this place. Wow, what a beautiful country we live in. What a beautiful world. Alright guys, see you in the next one.